everybody, welcome. My name is Miss Morgan and thank you for joining us for our SLP Summer Library program, Tales and Tales. Today what we're going to do is make a butterfly feeder so you can watch those butterflies float around in your backyard. Super fun. So we've given you in your kit a pie tin, a really long piece of string, and some beads so we can make that very unique for you. So you're going to start by folding your string in half and then folding it in half again, just like this. And then you're going to take your scissors and see that side where there's two loops? You're going to snip those loops. Then you're going to turn all your strings over, keep them together, and then cut the other side that has the single loop. And now you have 4 even-sized pieces of string. We're going to take a hole punch and punch a hole in the pie tin. See it right there? Now take a single piece of string and you're going to feed it up from the bottom of the pie tin and then up. And we're going to tie that in a knot. You can tie it in whatever kind of knot you like, but I like my shoe tie knots. That first step when you tie your shoes, that's how I do it. And then we double knot just for good measure. Alright, see how it's stuck on there? Now what we can do is decorate it with some beads. You can use however many beads you'd like. I'm going to use yellow. Then how about a white bead? And I like green too. Now we're going to do this 3 more times to make 4 holes for your 4 strings. Butterflies are attracted to bright colors, and that's why they're attracted to flowers. So you'll be able to decorate this however you want once it's done. You can paint it or color it with markers or add stickers. Make it really fun. All right, last one. All right, now we're going to take all 4 strings and gather them up on top. You have all 4 strings. Now we're going to tie those in a knot just like we did earlier, just like a shoe tie knot, but with 4 strings instead of 2. So you loop those around and stick it through and then pull it tight. Good job. Wasn't that fun? And when you're all done, you can hang that from a tree or your window, or even put it on the ground. And then those butterflies will come all summer long. We hope you had a good time today. Thank you.
Thank you for participating in the Licking County Library Summer Library Program. Continue to read and listen to books and go wild with us this summer while adventuring with your family.